SPAX have been manufacturing car suspension dampers since the 1960s. We patented on-car adjustable shock absorbers, and we've been supplying upgraded suspension to manufacturers, race teams, garages, restorers, enthusiasts for over 60 years. Our factory is in Bicester, Oxfordshire, and we have a global network of OEMs and dealers to provide specialist mechanics with high-quality dampers to accurately tune customer suspension to enable our users to drive with increased confidence on the road and to win on the track. SPAX started in the 1950s as a car accessory company. One of the early successes was a magnetic London smog-busting lamp. Shortly after formation we began manufacturing suspension products and quickly engineered and developed dampers. Indeed, SPAX patented on-car adjustable shock absorbers in the early 1960s. SPAX is and always has been a British company. Dampers were initially made and distributed from Fortescue Road in London. Any surviving dampers from this period are easily identifiable as they're finished in a lovely brown hammerite colour. SPAX as a company went through some tough times in the late 80s and 90s. However, the owners had invested in getting the manufacturing consultants McKinsey to modernise all our plant processes. ISO manuals were written and they set about improving workflow, implementing lean manufacture and changing the ethos from batch manufacture to one-piece flow. This significant new strategy enabled SPAX to this day to be a reactive company and offer short lead times on complex individual orders. In 1999, SPAX was sold to the current owners and the lessons advised by McKinsey were developed and built upon. A deal of effort and further investment was made to adapt ISO 9000, and extra elements were added to ensure that SPAX became TUV certified. The test requirements for the design of suspension in accordance with harmonised European car regulations are stringent and take into account vehicle legal requirements, reflector and headlight heights, ground clearance, clearance for snow chains, loading to 1.5 times the gross axle weight, etc. By 2003, armed with returns analysis and customer feedback, we began the process of upgrading the design and manufactured quality of all SPAX dampers and kits. The base SPAX product has always offered SPAX customers the great benefit of being able to tune damping performance by simply adjusting the SPAX foot valve, and this has always proved reliable. Customers were mostly satisfied with our products, but some reported adjustment was limited and others felt that the ride was too stiff for their application. At that time, SPAX only had 4 ranges of operation to cover everything from a Mini to a Land Rover. Embarking on a period of significant improvement, lots of little changes and many major steps were taken. We started to make greater use of 3D modelling, slowly replaced aged machinery and enhanced many processes, including investing in a dyno, which has enabled us to track performance increases and is now being used to test every damper sold. The design of our unique valves was revised. All the one-way valves were significantly improved, and basic operation moved from being purely hydraulic to gas pressurized oil-filled shocks. Gas pressurization hugely reduces fade in use, which still affects many standard dampers sold today. It also greatly improves damper reaction time and low-speed ride. The redesigned foot valve assemblies, with new valves, improved sealing with double O-rings, now provides for 28 stages of damping adjustment and allows a greater variation to finely tuned damping response. The build team really got behind the new technology, working in cleaner environments, and their dedication helped us to ensure quality and consistency has continually improved to present levels. Our overall reliability now exceeds 99.99%.